Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the shower squeegee for glass doors, bathroom squeegee for shower doors, window and car glass cleaner with upgraded adhesive holder and one replacement squeegee blade in 10 inches. It's also available in 12 inches. It's black and it's also available in silver. That's cool. And it comes from Quintus. All-purpose cleaning squeegee. The shower glass squeegee is versatile and can easily eliminating unsightly streaks and keeping them fresh and clean in any environment. It can be used perfectly on the soapy shower door, smooth tile surface, fogged mirrors, tabletops, window and car glass. We should keep the contact surface moist during use. If the surface used is too dry, there may be noises, so take care of it. And here comes the device with a performance upgrade. The black shower squeegee is made of durable stainless steel core plus iron with a rust-resistant powder coating, which provide years of durability, rust resistance, and are more durable than rubbers or other materials. At the same time, we get rid of the heavy burden of traditional stainless steel shower squeegees. It makes our hands easier. And strong sticky hook is included. The shower door squeegee comes with a powerful adhesive hook holder, so that it can be attached firmly to the bathroom glass doors. Smooth tiles or walls exceed the suction power of traditional suction cups and is more durable. It's really easy to install without drilling or other tools. It will not damage our wall. It leaves no traces on the wall after remove, so that it do not move or use again after the hook is installed, of course, because there is a glue. It's like a glue on it, and this adhesive is to attach it on the wall. If you remove it, of course, you have to get a new tape on it. But after this, you can perform another installation process, no problem. And we have ergonomic design. The T-shape of the handle provides a reliable non-slip grip while minimizing hand fatigue. It's ideal for use on bathrooms, shower doors and mirrors, house windows, flat tabletops and counters, car windows, and all-purpose cleanups, and more and more and more. This glass squeegee greatly improved cleaning efficiency, saving our time in housework. After each shower, we will have a clean and sparkling bathroom with use our shower squeegee. That's really cool because it makes it so easy. Premium materials, rust resistant, thick blade, streak free, high quality silicone strips. The particle silicone strips are durable, dimensionally stable, convenient hook construction. In considerations of the storage problem, the product is designed with powerful adhesive hooks, which is convenient and easy to use, and uses standard design. The special inlined surface of the silicone strip extends the contact area and ensures a better cleaning result. The T-shape of the puller makes it easy to hold and clean the handle. Moisten the silicone strip before use, of course. We do not use a brush to clean the silicone strip. We simply wash it with warm water and detergent. We keep the contact surface moist during use. If the surface used is too dry, there may be squeegee noises, and they are not so nice. It's easy to make a good cleaning. Select a favorite cleaner, then spray on the solid surface and wipe away the squeegee. Yeah, we are performing with the squeegee really easy. If we like to replace the silicone strip, we loosen the screws and remove the handle. We pull out the old silicone wiper blade and insert a new one. Then we install the handle into the puller and tighten the screws securely. It's really awesome for car windows, for tables, for tiles, and for mirrors too. Every flat surface you can perform of cleaning with that shower squeegee for glass doors, bathroom squeegee for a shower doors, window and car glass cleaner with upgraded adhesive holder and a replacement squeegee blade. 10 inches and black in this case. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.